Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we'll discuss about social media. What social media is all about, what are the immense benefits social media offers, what are the multiple channels or platforms that are available as far as social media is concerned, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. What is social media? All websites, applications that allow users to register, create profiles, interact, engage and communicate with each other and share content is called as social media. Social media is huge. Social media is the best thing that has happened to internet for a long time. Social media helps the users to register for free, create their profiles, interact, engage and communicate with each other and share content. That is social media. Billions and billions of people from all around the world are on one social media platform or the other. This is social media. Now, how social media works? Social media is an online platform. It is actually a website where the website is being used and leveraged by individuals or companies to create profiles and post content that is shareable, that can be disseminated across to promote themselves or the businesses. Websites and applications allow to social media on the web. Social media creates a network of users for communication. If I am as an user, as an individual, I actually post my profile and I post information about myself, what are my achievements, what I do, what is my education, what I intend to do, how I can help companies. That information is shared on the web for communication. Users can share text, images and videos with each other. The content that is generated on social media runs into thousands of millions of images, videos and text. You can post the images, you can post the videos or the text that can be shareable, that can be communicated with other users. Users will have the ability to make new friends from the way faraway places, build new relationship. I am in one particular country and I can post my information and connect with other users and make friendship with them and build new relationship from any part of the world, from any people. That is the beauty of social media. Benefits of social media. Social media means of interaction, communication and engagement. In short, this is called as ICE, I-C-E. Interaction, communication and engagement. That is what precisely social media is all about. If I, as an user, it could be an individual or I am promoting my business, what I do is when I post information of my product, my solution or myself as an individual, what I am doing is I am posting it because I can reach to different people. And why do I need to reach to different people? To interact, communicate and engage with them. That is what social media is all about. Social media can be used by individuals, companies can promote and advertise their products. Many organizations from all over the world are leveraging social media as a platform to disseminate quality information about their company, about their business, about their products. And this is reaching far and wide people. Reach out to the customers and promote their business, listen to the customers and concerns. Most important thing that you need to remember as a business entity, if you are promoting your business on social media, what you need to do is you need to first listen to the people what they are saying, what are their concerns, what are their challenges, what are their issues, what kind of products they want to buy, why do they want to buy the products. The important thing is listen is an art. Listen to your customers, listen to your prospective customers, listen to your intended customers and address those challenges so that the customers from social media, they can come to your website, learn more about you and your company and buy your products. Building relationship with the customers, extremely important. Social media is although misused a lot, but the most important that you need to remember is you are on social media to build relationship, build long lasting relationship with your customers, with your intended customers and talk to them, listen to them and address their concerns. You can use social media for immense benefit for your company. Some of the social networking platforms that are available on social media: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Facebook, if it is to be considered as a country, Facebook is the third largest country in the world behind China and India. Twitter, tweets are tweeted, tweets are retweeted, hashtags are used. There are not just individuals, professionals, companies, even the presidents and the prime ministers of countries around the world are using social Facebook and Twitter. LinkedIn, it is a professional networking site. Stumble upon it was hugely popular. You stumble upon something and you post their information. Dig, Tumblr, YouTube, we all know how much they are popular. Instagram, Flickr and Pinterest. These are some of the various social media platforms available for us as an individual, as a business or organization, that you can leverage in promoting your business. Now, in conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is social media, how social media works, the benefits of social media, and what are the various social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.